Here is, what's your name? I forgot.
Jimmy.
Jimmy. And how old are you, Jimmy?
Asa.
How old are you, Jimmy?
Asa.
Okay.
Can we start it over?
This is a train set that belongs to Jack. And it's a very nice train set. It's got 2 trains on it right now. And here comes the first one. This is the first one he got for Christmas. This is a consolidated 280. It has sound effects, but we turn them off because it's kind of loud. It's a Chesapeake and Ohio C&O. And we got some log cars and some box cars and stuff like that on it. It needs a caboose. And here's the second one. This one is Daddy's. This is a 210-2. And it's got DCC but no sound. And it's neat because it's got a little dog house on the fender. And it is hauling coal cars and tank cars and a crane. And it's got a caboose. And it's on 22-inch radius track while the other one is on, this one is on 18-inch radio. I'm gonna turn the sound on. Got a really nice Digitrax controller. Let's see, Loco 706. I'm gonna turn the sound on for the 706. Got a B-29 crashed into the middle of the train table. Large Mustang and the White House. And ring some bells and some whistles. There's the 210-2. And there's Jimmy checking out the train action.
5. I am 5.
You like the trains, 5-year-old Jimmy? Back up. Can't see your tongue. All right. Which train do you like better, Jimmy?
I like the one.
Well, I got a little bitty one over there. It's a 060. It's off the track.
I like the strong one.
This is the strong one, I guess. Okay. Letting some steam out.
We're taking a video.
There's the owner of the 706, Jack, in his underwear. And there's the 706. That's a good little train. Very smooth. It can crawl. Watch it crawl. It can crawl it really nicely. I mean, why would you need a train to go any slower than that? The 220 can crawl too. Let's watch the 220 crawl. Alright. Well, it can crawl a little bit. That's a Kansas City Southern. And I gotta turn this one off because it's loud. Loco 706 has got to hush. Come on, Loco 706, Loco. Hush. Good. Yeah, you can run it without the sound. Very pleasant. Just got 2 ovals. Going to get some switches sometime soon to link the 2 ovals together and put some sidings up to park the extra trains. And there is the 706, nice and quiet. Very good detail. It's a Bachmann. Some people frown upon Bachmanns. You're shaking the camera. What?
I'm gonna make a video when you're finished by myself.
And let me see this 2201 one more time. Come crawling by. These are fun trains. We're gonna add some stuff to it, make some mountains and buy some more cars.
And churches.
And what?
Churches.
Churches.
And houses.
Sure. You don't get so close. You can't see nothing but one eyeball. There you go. Get about this far away.
We can
That looks even better right there. All right.
We can see apple trees.
And there's a mountain that we used to have, but we bought some 22-inch radius track and it won't fit in there anymore. So we got to make a new styrofoam mountain.